Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. Today we're going to be working on this 2019 McLaren 600Lt while going through and using the products in our 2020 January Glovebox 2.0. All coming up on this episode. All right, first let's talk a little bit about this 2019 McLaren 600Lt. One of my favorite designs by McLaren. I would choose this over the 570, the 650, the 675, and of course the 12C. I wouldn't, of course, choose it over the P1 or the Senna, but I just love the 600Lt, the design of it. The LT stands for long tail, which got its name from the 97 F1 GTR because of the length of the vehicle, long tail. So that's where we got the 600Lt from. Just a beautiful, amazing vehicle. Of course, I love the exhaust coming out the rear deck lid on top, shooting flames if you can. I will have one of these cars one day. I already have it spec'd out in my head. It will happen. So, besides the amazingness of the McLaren 600Lt, we also have the amazingness of our new, bigger, better glove box. We sent out an extensive survey to get your guys' feedback, and the majority of you wanted full-size products instead of the sample sizes that came in the OG glove box. So in the originals, we did the sample size products 2 to 4 ounce sizes, and now based off of your feedback, we went with the full size, which is in the new January 2020 glove box. And this is the first one. We got some bangers in this one, so let's go through it. First, insert card, a little note from Jason and myself. Flip it over, a list of all the products included in this month's box. Also links to the websites for these brands and discount codes so you can buy more of these products at a glove box discount or other products they offer. So bam, insert card. What do we start with? Wowos. What is Wowos? Just Wowo. You just love to say that word, Wowo. Wowos is the brand that the Rag company brought over to the US, so they're the official US distributors. We saw this over with our friends at the Rag company at SEMA 2019 and are super excited to offer this in the January glove box. And we continue to want to offer more of Wowo's products in the upcoming boxes, so make sure you subscribe over at gloveboxdetail.com. But Wowo's, first thing that caught my attention was the branding, was the labeling. A lot of times I'll get products and I'll take the labels off, or I'll buy bottles or sprayers that don't have labels on it and I'll label them myself just because I like that clean look. But the Wowos, they knocked it out the park for me. This almost has like that old-fashioned look with like a modern flair to it. So good job, guys. But more importantly, using the product. So we're gonna use it today on this car. How do you dilute it? Okay, so say we're using our 2-bucket method, which I'll do today, your rinse bucket and your wash bucket. Your wash bucket, you'll have, 3 to 4 gallons of water in there, and you'll put 200 to 1, 100 to 1, 100 to 1 if you want more suds, 200 to 1 if you don't. So what that means is 4 to 8 capfuls in your rinse bucket with your water, and then shoot water in there, get it all foam and sudsy. These caps are about ½ an ounce each, okay? So you'll fill that up, put 4 to 8 of those. I like more suds, so I'm gonna do 8. We're also gonna put it in foam cannon. I'm gonna put about 5 ounces in the foam cannon. Again, the cap is about 1 ounce. And then the foam cannon, I think, holds up to or close to 20 ounces. So we'll put 5 ounces of the Wowo's Detailer shampoo in there. And then spray away and watch the amazing sudsiness. So super excited about this stuff, super excited for you guys to try it. Bam, first one. Stay focused now, I know I hit you with the big one first. Next, another big one from our friends over at Autofiber, the Korean plush 16 by 16 470 GSM edgeless microfiber towel in beautiful white. Some of you won't get the white, I'm sorry, you might like a different color that we put in there anyways. Reason being is we intended to do white in all the January Go boxes, but you guys signed up and we sold a lot of them. So make sure you're signing up to get on for February before it's too late. So we did have to put some different colors besides white. The majority of them have white in there, just because we sold out quickly. So sign up. Autofiber, thank you guys. This thing is awesome. Always checking your towel, pulling stuff out. Why do we give you this? Because you're going to use it with the Last Coat. This is their version 2. The Last Coat has been getting a lot of hype on social media and advertising. I've seen them everywhere. I've seen other people do reviews on it. So I'm like, I gotta try it. If I have to try it, I'm gonna make sure you get to try it. So here it is. The Last Coat version 2 is in this month's Glovebox. You'll hear it referred to as a sealant. You'll hear other people refer to it as a coating. It is really an easy application to give you a lot of protection on your glass, on your paint, on your rims, on your trim, anything on the exterior. I also seen some people do reviews on using it on the interior. I think that was from the original version, the version 1. Remember, this is the version 2. But of course, I'll use it on all the areas, let you guys know what I think, but I also want you guys to use it. Comment below, let us know what you think. Easy application. So this car here that we have is not coated or anything like that. So I don't typically like to do the 50-50 with tape because we can talk about that at a different time, the residue of tape, and if you're polishing or wet sanding, you can kind of swell the paint. I've done 50-50 before just for purpose of showing how a product works, but on this one, we'll do the 50-50 with the tape down the middle, probably on the hood, and use the product, then spray water on it to see what happens. I already know what happens, it's awesome. So, how are we gonna do that? We're gonna take our towel, we'll go psh, 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 sound effects, psh, psh, psh. Spray a couple sprays on there, wipe on the surface, bam, cool to touch, clean surface. They say you can use it in direct sunlight, just work in a smaller area, 2x2. I always prefer to work in the shade, cool to touch surface. Wipe it on there, flip your towel over or grab a new microfiber towel and wipe it off. When I'm putting it on, I usually do up and down, side to side, or cross hatch. And then when you dry it off, just make sure you get everything off of there and you're good to go. It's that easy. I've also seen people take the top off of these and have like 2 ounces of product in here, stick their foam cannon nozzle in here with the little straw, whatever you want to call that, tie it right to here, spray the car down while it's wet, rinse the stuff off, and then just dry it for like a really quick, under 5 minutes kind of protection, wash, upkeep, maintenance, spray down. So try that as well, see what you think. If you gotta do a quick upkeep on your car, it gives you the option to do that as well. Man, amazingness going on here. Next, from our brothers, from our friends over at the Jax Wax in Ohio, tire and trim gel, water-based. I freaking love this stuff. So I've done, if you guys follow our story, follow our page on social media, Glovebox Detail, you'll see that I do rallies for my detail company. I'll follow the rallies around the US and we'll clean the cars at night, which is awesome. And I always use this on the tires because 1, it's water-based. 2, I consider it like a moisturizer, so I can reference it to how people use lotion. Gets into your pores, does what it needs to do. It's not going to sling all over the place, be greasy and oily. It's like a moisturizer to me. You can use it on trim as well. So we got you covered. Applicator, also from Jax Wax. You'll put this on the applicator, bam, spread it on your tires. Put more if you like that glossy look, put less if you just like that natural supple look. But yeah, I love this stuff. I tend to stay away from the silicone products and more prefer the water-based products. So Jax Wax, good job. I love this. You know I buy a ton of this stuff. Applicator pad. Some might think if you have low profile tires, really skinny, this might be too big. So I've seen people zinc cut that off and make 2 out of here. So if you feel like you're Bob the Builder and you want to cut this, go ahead and do so and get 2. Same thing like you do with your towels, just make sure you're always checking your applicator as well. What else do we got in here for you guys? We have, of course, Glovebox sticker. Throw that in your car, throw that in your toolbox, put it on the drive-through window. Don't say that we did it. The Last Coat hooked you guys up, the Last Coat sticker. some literature, some links, a pamphlet, bam, how to, little tips and tricks, some of their other products, so you can check that out. So perfect. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna wash this car with our 2-bucket method. We're gonna use it on the foam gun. We're gonna dry it off, get it nice, clean, cool to the touch. We are gonna put on our, what I call tire moisturizer, put the Jax Wax tire and trim gel with our applicator. And we are gonna use our TLC version 2, the last coat, with our Autofiber Korean plush 470 16 by 16 microfiber towel. Get this car looking good. We'll do a 50-50 on the front hood, spray some water on there. Everybody can be like, oh, this stuff's amazing. You can go buy more with your Glovebox discount. So there it is, guys. The bigger box. It's kind of heavy, it's huge. Going forward, all of our subscriptions are going to be the full size. So make sure you head over to gloveboxdetail.com and check that out. But now, let's do what I do best and get to work. Okay guys, now that we got the car washed, we moisturized the tires, we dried it, we did not clay bar it, we did not paint correct it. I just wanted to show you using this as you would as an upkeep. So what we're gonna do is use the Last Coat version 2 on the front hood area here, and I'll spray it down with some water, and then I'll go and do the rest of the car, grab the camera, pull you in to do a quick walk around to see what everything looks like. So first, as we talked about, we'll shake your towel, sound effects. 2 little squirts. I'm gonna do up and down, side to side, hashtag motion, cross hatch. Super easy. Grab my other towel. Just like that. Let's do the other side. Squirts. Up and down. Side to side. Other towel. Dry that off. You can already feel it getting super slick. Super easy on and off. So yeah, let's grab the water and spray this down real quick. All right, here we go. Hey guys, so my takeaways on the products in the January 2020 glove box. One, Wowo's. Love it. That detailer shampoo is amazing. Made me feel like I was using something that I first started with, like a traditional detailer shampoo. That's perfect name for it. Like just the perfect wash. Something that I would use for every upkeep wash that the vehicles I maintain. I love it. I'm happy that it got into your guys' hands to be able to try it as well. Two, the Jax Wax Trim and Tire Gel. Freaking love that stuff. Use that all the time with the applicator, so you have something to put it on and moisturize your tires. Three, TLC version 2, the Last Coat. That stuff is crazy. Crazy meaning good. Easy application, hydrophobic. I want you guys to try it out and test and let us know. Comment below what you think about all the products after you do your own testing. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you go to gloveboxdetail.com to join Team Glovebox so we can have your feedback. You can subscribe there monthly. You can do a 3-month trial, 6-month trial, annual trial. You can also do in our store, get your t-shirts, build your own box, buy pass boxes. We have it all for you so you can make the decision what works best for you guys. So overall, love the box, love the Autofiber Korean plush 16x16 microfiber towel. And yeah, until next time guys, I am